Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new class, and in our class actually lesson 2 human system is going on. Out of that we have started our first system, that's name is digestive system. In digestive system we have completed our 5 classes already, in which you have read out the various parts of the alimentary canal. Those parts which we have already read out previously, those parts named I am writing mouth, parts of alimentary canal which we have already studied. Alimentary canal, mouth we have already studied. Second, pharynx we have already studied. Third, esophagus we have already studied in our previous class. Fourth, stomach we have studied yesterday only. So these 4 parts we have already discussed with you. I have already discussed with you. Now our new part, small intestine. We are going to start today. Small intestine. The next portion which is coming just after the stomach, that is small intestine. And before reaching to the small intestine, let me just clear out the previous thing of the stomach. This stomach was actually food is reaching through the esophagus to the stomach, and there gastric juice is digesting that food with the help of gastric juice which contains HCl, which is digesting the food. And the second thing, mucus, which is just protecting the lining of the stomach wall. And the third thing, pepsin is there, which is just digesting the protein, and that protein is converted into the peptide. So the pepsin enzyme which is working into the acidic medium. Now that food which is reaching from the stomach into the small intestine, that food is called now chyme. And that chyme which is reaching to the small intestine, now we are talking about this. The small intestine is actually divided. It is divided into the 3 parts. In how many parts it is divided? It is divided into the 3 parts. And the name of those 3 parts, number 1, duodenum. Number 2, jejunum. Number 3, ileum. These are the 3 parts in which small intestine is actually divided. Now these 3 parts are present at the 3 locations. The first part is called duodenum. Second part is called jejunum, and the third part is called ileum. This duodenum part actually digests the chyme and convert it into the smaller molecules. Later on I will tell you that how it is converting into the smaller molecules, which things are added here and which things are helping out in converting it into the smaller molecules. Next thing is jejunum. It helps in absorption. This portion of a small intestine helps into the absorption. The next part and the last part, it connects a small intestine with large intestine. ये वो भाग है which is just connecting a small intestine with the large intestine. Now this small intestine also absorb those food which is not absorbed into the jejunum. Means like bile salts, etc., those kind of materials which is not absorbed into the jejunum portion of the small intestine. Those things, those substances, those minerals, bile salts are absorbed into this area. So this is the location and the working of all these three parts of the small intestine. So once again, the small intestine is divided into the three parts. Number 1, duodenum. Number 2, jejunum. Number 3, ileum. The first part, duodenum, is just carrying the different enzymes which is released from liver and pancreas. The new things has come. There are digestive glands. The second part, which is comprising the digestive system, that I have already told you, alimentary canal plus digestive gland. So part of the alimentary canal is the small intestine, but digestive gland which is associated with this small intestine, that is liver and pancreas. They both are secreting some enzymes and pouring this secretion into the small intestine. So first part, duodenum, digest and convert into the smaller molecules. Means suppose carbohydrate is there, suppose starch is there, then starch smaller form is, smaller molecule is, that is called maltose. Who is converting this starch into the maltose? This starch into the maltose is converted with the help of this duodenum. Now let me reach on the second part, second portion of this digestive system. There are two glands associated with small intestine. So they are number 1, liver. Number 2, pancreas. Let me clear you the first one, liver. And in this liver, actually what? Bile juice is produced. Bile juice produced. Now listen carefully everyone. In liver, bile juice is produced only. But this bile juice is stored in gallbladder. Is stored in gallbladder. After that, from the gallbladder, actually one tube is coming like this. One tube is coming like this from the gallbladder and having that secretion bile juice. And that bile juice through this tube, which is called sphincter of Oddi. इस ट्यूब को हम बोलते हैं sphincter of Oddi. With this sphincter of Oddi, the bile juice is reaching from gallbladder to duodenum part of small intestine. ये sphincter of Oddi जो ट्यूब है, ये गॉल ब्लैडर को duodenum से कनेक्ट करने का काम करती है और गॉल ब्लैडर से जो आपका बाइल जूस है वो duodenum तक पहुंच जाता है. Now, what are the functioning of the bile juice? Functioning of bile juice. First, bile juice is having just two main functions. The first function, it provides basic medium. It provides basic medium to small intestine. Now, why basic medium is provided to small intestine, duodenum part? It is necessary for working of enzymes released by pancreas. जो एंजाइम्स रिलीज होती है स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल्स में कट करने के लिए, फॉर एक्टिवेशन ऑफ दोज एंजाइम्स व्हाट इज नेसेसरी? Bile juice is necessary. That's why it is providing what? Basic medium. And why basic medium is provided here only? Because in stomach acidic medium is there, and from that acidic medium chyme is reaching to the small intestine. So that chyme is what? Acidic in nature. So now it should be basic. Now it should be converted into the basic nature. Why? Because enzyme will only it will get activated when basic medium will be there. Second thing, bile juice breaks large fat globules into small fat ग्लोब्यूल्स. फैट के बड़े बड़े टुकड़े जो आप खाते हो, those fat is broken into the very small pieces, little pieces with the help of which thing? Bile juice. So fat is digested with the help of bile juice. So there are two functions of the bile juice. Number one, provide basic medium. Number two, it breaks large fat globules into the small fat globule. And this bile juice is actually, once again I am clearing you this thing, bile juice is produced in liver, but it is stored in gallbladder, and from the gallbladder it is reaching to small intestine with the help of a sphincter of Oddi. So for today it is enough, and till here try to learn the things. Tomorrow I will tell you the remaining portion of this, and that will be what? Pancreas. It will be pancreas. Enzymes of pancreas. All the enzymes, functioning of those enzymes from the pancreas I will tell you tomorrow, which is associated with the same topic, small intestine only. So that I will teach you tomorrow. Till then I am providing you some homework, few questions I am giving you. Try to find out answer of these questions. Question number 1. Today's homework. Into how many parts small intestine is divided? Question number 2. Write down any two function of bile juice. Question number 3. Which tube connects gallbladder with duodenum part of small intestine? So try to find out the answer of these questions. In today's lecture you will find out all the answers if you will watch it properly. Thank you very much, class.